The RAM pellet header processing unit is designed to cut circular headers out of square or round sheets stacked on a pallet. Any material that can be cut with a knife may be used: solid board, plain or polyethylene laminated liner, craft paper, corrugated board, etc. A manual hand saw is used to cut vertical slots in the stack. This is to ensure that the trim loosens and fall away from the stack during the cutting process. The depth of the slots should be sufficient to reach the actual cutting diameter. A slight mark from the hand saw is normally visible on the sides of the stack after the headers are cut. A modular plate corresponding to the cutting diameter is attached to the top press plate. The pallet is placed onto the turntable and must be adjusted to the center of the turntable. The top plate is used for indication of the position of the pallet. The cutting knife holder arm is adjusted to the required cutting diameter. This is accomplished by turning the manual wheel until the diameter indicator shows the required position. The gates to the safety enclosure are closed and the cutting sequence is initiated by pressing the control panel buttons as they begin to twinkle. The turntable rotates the pallet and the cutting knife moves down at a preset speed, cutting the sheets from the top down. The speed of the vertical movement of the knife is adjusted to correspond to the type of material being cut. During the cutting sequence, the trim waste is thrown off the processed headers by rotational forces. Some of the waste will fall onto the disposal conveyor and some of the waste will remain inside the safety enclosure for subsequent removal. The cutting goes on automatically until the bottom sensor is activated by the knife holder. Then the rotation stops and the knife moves up at high speed until it reaches the top. The top press plate is moved up and the cutting sequence is finished. Any remaining trim waste is removed and the pallet with the circular headers is moved out.